Hello, my dear crafters. Today I'm going to share with you part of the new collection by Scrap Diva Designs, and that's the April collection. And she went totally country western, which I love. I lived in Texas for 3.5 years, and I love country music, so I had a lot of fun putting together some of the collection. I don't have the whole thing here, but I will have the link below for you to see the whole thing, okay? So the idea here is to show you the die sets and then what I have made and what they look like when they are put together. This one here is called, and everything is today, they're available on their website, okay? This one is called the Saloon mini album because you can make a mini album with this. If you have the cinch, you can put the wire here and actually make it a notebook too if you want. But look how cute this looks like when it's put together. It has these little tiny doors here that actually open up, and it's absolutely beautiful. It has some, the die set makes the house, and some of the other items here are from the rest of the collection. So this lizard is from the collection. The cactus here is from the collection as well. But you get the whole house, everything here apart from these two, with this die set, and it's absolutely gorgeous. You can make a card with it and open this way, or maybe up like that, horizontal or vertical. But how cute is this, guys? I love it. So that's one of my favorite. That's why I wanted to open with that. Let's move on. Everything is country. Guys, look at these boots. Look at this. I love country boots. I actually have one that looks like this. So here is the die set. This one is called Cowboy Boots Mini Album because you can also add here, when you make it, you can add the mini album, you know, the one that has the little holes, and you can make a mini album out of it. Or you can glue two of these and make a card with it, or just use it to decorate your scrapbooking, whatever you do, mixed media. But look how beautiful these boots are. That's the die set. You have the mini boot, the one, the ankle boot here, and this is the heel. And this is how you put together. So see, I added the heel here, so it leaves this out. That's the black one that I made. I made one that is more like brown and leather looking. I made this one that's a little bit more fun and funky. And I added some jewels here. You know, you do you. And my favorite, the shaker one. You can make a shaker with it. Let me put this aside. And I use one, this is part of the release as well. That's the next thing I'm going to show you, the words. So look at this. You can make a beautiful shaker. So, yep, you can do whatever you want with these boots. So you can either use the whole thing and, you know, the stars and everything, or just make your shaker. I added a little heart here. How cute is that, huh? This is the ankle one I wanted to show you. This is a paper that I had like a scrap left over, and I added the gold heels. Very nice. And another one that's very girly. So I added some jewels here to this one, but I just wanted to show you, I think this is my favorite. I want to hear your opinion. Which one is yours? Of course, I love the shaker too. So that's part of the release. Let's move on. So let me show you now the words. So here's the die set. I like the sizes that they have because you can use, like I used this one here. That's one of the words, the cowgirl. I used on my shaker, but you can have, let me show you what the rest of the words are. So we have wanted, girls, go, hee-haw, west, wild, let's, cowboy, and howdy. So very country western words that you can use to decorate what you make. And I used this one, the only one that is not here is cowgirl, okay? but you can use any of the, I love the wanted one because that's very Western, isn't it? So very, very good size. And yeah, so that one is called Cowboy Words, okay? All of these is available. So now the next one I want to show you is this. So this one has many different things, and I'll show, I prepared one of each for you. The boots, this is like the mama boots. This is like the baby boots. So, but they're pretty much the same. We have the lizard hats, little hearts, stars, so cactus. So look at that. Very, very nice. And let me show you what they look like. And here they are. So we have the little, this is my favorite. I love this tiny boot. Look at that. So cute. And I made this into a charm that I'm going to use on a notebook that I'm preparing. Very, very cute. Look at that. So these are the boots. I had one that's more like a brown leather one. The hats. So another one that's very brown, but I just decided to go very white and pink, and this one I used some shimmer paper. And here is the lizard. I mean, it's your lizard, so you make it whichever color you want. I use my markers here to just give it a little bit more of interest. And as you remember, I used one of them, yeah, this one on the Saloon. Yeah, so that, some horseshoes. We have two options. And the cactus. I love this cactus. And I also used that one here to decorate the front of my salon. Remember in the beginning when I said that these two were not from the die set, but all the rest is. So yeah, so here's one. Though I love that the collection comes with a lot of decoration pieces of different sizes, and it does have way more than this. And the last thing I want to show you, two things. One, this is also part of the release. It's not country western, but guys, I love this. If you remember from my my craft fair, I made a few options of recipe books, and I love that Scrap Diva Designs came up with this stamp that you stamp on a white piece of paper, whatever color you want, and it comes with the recipe, how many it serves, the time, ingredients, and then your name. But not only that, but it also comes with this die set and the stamps, because you have stamps here for everything: pies, donuts, side dishes, beverages. So you can identify by using this little tag here, and the tag comes as part of the die. So these are the tags. You have some smaller ones here, and you use this die, so it's stamps and die, so and they come together. So everything you need to identify your recipes and make it your own, and use the papers that you want. I used some pattern paper on the back, and then create your own box. I have a few options from my craft fair series last year, but I love this. I've always been searching for a stamp that will allow me to just customize, and that's what you have. See, because it cuts and it has the stitching around on both sides I used, and it's wonderful. Wonderful if you want to create your recipe books. And last one, I haven't prepared this one yet, but it's called 3D rectangular gift box. This is a very nice gift box, and you will have a few options of pictures on the website. I'll have all of this collection down in the description below, and you will see the rest of the collection that's not here, but also a lot of pictures. So you're going to see pictures of the salon, of everything here, and including this box that I haven't made yet. Do not forget to use my coupon code, my name, Paula, so that you can get 10% off, okay? So that's Scrap Diva Designs April release. I hope you enjoyed it and you have a wonderful day.